1,000 years ago, the deaf community were really discriminated, marginalized all over the world. No access in every kind of life, just exclusion. I am deaf, I'm East African, a Burundian, proud to be called a member of the Burundian society. Even though I don't appreciate this kind of life I am living, just the same thing, no change, discrimination, yes, exclusion. No access to work, no access to education, no access to politics, barriers into communication. Still I believe my eyes can hear, my hand can speak to change this. We need a change. We deaf people have to live our rights. We got a talent. We are human beings, and this is the East Africa I deserve.